listen, we're gonna get the job done and we're gonna do it at half the price for that tenant because they don't deserve to live like this. And I'm not putting up with this anymore. Understand? We're here to do a job. We're gonna do it properly for the tenant. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh wow, I didn't even see you guys there. Sorry about that. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing out this faucet in this house here. We are going to be replacing with this one. We tried looking for the cartridges. We can't find them. It's a Saturday and everything's closed except for like Home Depot or Lowe's and stuff like that. So we're going to take these out and put the new ones in. Easy enough. The homeowner actually wanted us to try to put this in, but it's a double handle and this is a single handle, and he doesn't want us cutting up the cupboard any more than what it needs to be because it's very bad shape. Told him we're probably going to need to replace the cover. He said, listen, just get the job done as cheap as possible. So that's what we're going to do. When the homeowner says that that's how they want it done, that's how we do it. When we're here doing a job, like I was on the phone for somebody that was in a wheelchair and stuff like that and they can't get around, and then the manager or the owner wants to charge the tenant, I don't like that. I don't like people being taken advantage of. But regardless, don't worry about that. That's not your guys' concern. So we disconnected the old hoses and we are going to, like, this is pretty bad shape, but that's what he wants. All right, give you guys a quick look under there. See what I mean? It's pretty bad shape, right? But actually, I'm gonna be honest with you. Thought it would have been a lot worse. It is pretty bad. As you can see, everything's moving around there. I don't know what their plan is, to be completely honest with you. I would change out this whole thing. Oh, did I show you guys? This is the new shirt. The Jay Cleaned My Pipe shirt. We got the new hat on as well. I think this house was empty for quite a while. All right, let's get into this box. Again, we bought the cheapest faucet we could find. I think this one was like less than $40. Just a chew handle. Kind of looks very similar to what came out of there. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, right? You know, the same thing I asked you guys every time. Look, you can't get much more basic than that, right? So this actually came from Lowe's. Okay. In case you were wondering. See what I mean? Super cheap. Well, Jay, don't you know what you're doing? Hawk goes on the left. Wow. All right, so, oh, if you guys wanted to know the name, this is their, I think this is their brand name or whatever, Project Source. This is a Bassam two-handle kitchen faucet. Literally the cheapest one they had there. I know you guys can't see much. Here. Look at my pretty mug while I'm doing this. We all know you want to. Heck, half the time I don't want to. My wife definitely doesn't usually want to. LOL. No, I'm just playing. Still gotta tighten that down. Just wanna make sure I look good. Alright. Alright, that's that. Now we just gotta do up the water lines. Sorry guys. leaks. No leaks. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like this different style of video. Replacing some taps today. That's not very typical of what I do. I'll do anything. Almost anything. You sickos. But anyway. Oh wow. Okay. Anyway. I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think of the video, and until next time, Trogna.